How to reset or recover Lululemon account password. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and go to shop.lululemon.com. Now click on the sign in option. Over here, if you have forgotten your password, first enter your email address. Then you want to click on the forgot your password option. Once you click on this option, it's going to redirect you to a different page, and on this page you will have to enter your email address again. So go ahead and do that. Now click on send email option. Once you click on this option, an email is going to be sent to the email address that you have just entered. So now you want to open up your respective mail app. Once you have opened the mail, scroll down and find the option of set a new password. Now it's going to redirect you to a different page. Here you want to set a new password, so go ahead and type in your new password. Make sure it fulfills all the criteria. Then click on save and sign in option, and then your Lululemon account password will be reset. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.